Welcome back, and remember, stay toasty. We're back with this. On the last episode, we had to find out who the killer was.
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
And here's what I'm gonna show you. The dead body right here. We gotta talk to Snow. We need to get out of this place.
You alright?
Yes, thanks. But you should hurry. We don't have much time left.
You're
We
right.
should head back inside soon.
Yeah, we should get out of here.
Where are you going? Are we done?
Yes, we are leaving. I've seen enough.
I've seen enough.
Good. Okay. We should move her before anyone...
Yeah, that's the idea.
We'll find out more.
don't take all the hot water,
It'll be in the books. I'm sure of it.
Last time you
You
take
have
all
to
the hot
know
water.
What's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
This is the message.
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
The victim herself.
The victim. She could be a symbol for something.
Yes. We already know why.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll
Do what
just
you
be
need
worse
to.
if he finds out we held it from him.
I guess it's useless to drag it out.
That's how I feel too. I'm sure he won't be happy, but it's just part of the process. Hopefully he can be rational about it.
That's
I
right.
wouldn't hold my breath.
I'm not.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this.
By the way, you have a nice
We can take
ass.
a look at it.
Don't
I'll meet you
forget
at the
to be
business office.
toasty. Should be like that. We're in a crime investigation right now. Next scene, I guess. Where are we going? Oh, that guy
What, are
again.
you blind?
Huh?
What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already.
I work
You
here.
just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I work here. And what great work you do, Sheriff. That didn't feel very genuine. Fucker.
He's mad. Why is he so freaking pissed off? What did I do to him?
Because you were the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand?
You don't yell at her.
Of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame.
What? No, you are. You
I
Fucker.
wanted to as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
Back off, Ichabod. It's not her fault.
I don't need your help, Bigby.
Instead of trying
really?
to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, says the man who is most to blame for this catastrophe. How convenient.
motherfucking asshole.
Protecting the
This guy.
Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any
Ichabod
leads,
Crane,
suspects?
you asshole.
Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Bluebeard was mentioned.
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we speak. So don't even think about accusing him of such a treacherous...
God damn it.
The guy has a history of beheading young women. I'd say that's something worth checking out.
If all you're operating off of is ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. By that rationale, you're a suspect as well, Wolf.
Shut up.
You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us.
Maybe you're the killer.
Yes? Sir?
Call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I
Vivian?
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? No, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right.
He's an asshole, that's
Do
for
your
sure.
job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
Fuck off.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away.
Damn, I wish I could say fuck off to him.
You would have just pissed him off more.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, that could have gone better. Well,
Maybe.
maybe we should have dragged it out.
For what it's worth, I still think it was better to tell him.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna smoke.
Crane doesn't like people smoking and...
And he's not here right now, is he?
Never mind. Smoke away.
What's the wine about?
Wine to a massage?
Probably a gift. The weird part of that is that he's actually being nice to someone. I know I
Huh.
bought that damn bottle.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
Ah, he has it! Damn monkey! He has the wine bottle.
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
His eyes are black.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think
It's
it's
not
probably
yours.
to him?
Maybe.
You freaking stole it.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Fuck off, monkey. Fuck off.
Fuck off, Bucket.
Buffkin. The ones with all the tables.
Fuck off, monkey. It's funny as hell.
Bring the first three.
Be back in a few minutes.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here.
Fuck off, Funkin.
We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin.
I love this game.
Time to poke around. Maybe the mirror can help.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Squared away.
Who is
Let
the
me know if you
fairest
need
of them all? Best movie quote ever. Now let's go talk to the mirror on the wall.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question. You know the rule. I don't have time.
Do I have to?
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Mirror, mirror.
Mirror, if you're
If
able,
you're able.
tell me all about this fable.
Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Woodsman.
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby.
You kidding me?
Only show you what can be seen.
Snow. I love her.
Show me Snow White.
She looks hotter than the fairy tales
She's in this
close to
very
be.
room.
I don't know her name.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Buffkin.
Show me Buffkin.
Fuck off, Buffkin. Again.
Hey, put
What
down the
the-
bottle and get to work.
You kidding me? He's drinking on the job.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return.
I love games like this. So after we finish this series, we're gonna do The Walking Dead, Season 1. Did you mean to drop
We'll get it all
that?
cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
That's more than 3 books. Oh! Let's go. What's this?
Strength.
I guess it comes in all forms. These must be fortune-telling cards. Let's look at the other 2. And the last one.
What the fuck is this supposed to mean?
Holy shit.
Tarot cards. Jack brought them back from Appalachia. Who knows where they were before then? Or what he did to get them.
Huh. Who the hell's Jack? Jack and the Beanstalks? Oh. Jack and the Beanstalks, yeah. Where am I supposed to freaking go? Oh, there! For fuck's... Let's look at this. That's Cinderella. What's this?
Great. What? I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Fuck off, Pumpkin. Fine, I need your help.
Maybe it will brighten your shitty mood a little.
Unlikely.
Unluckily.
This is the one. What is
He's
this?
being a dick now.
That's an odd one. Family name? Alerairo? I'll go look it up.
Alelaira. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
Poetic.
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was his daughter, Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily.
That is sad.
Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please.
Mark it. Deceased.
And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
You should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
We have to notify him.
I don't. But we need to let him know about his wife.
Remember, stay toasty. I'll see you in the next video.